it's Mandy here. I'm here to shoot a card using the Moving Forward stamp set. It's this really nice Angie girl. I stamped her onto some white card and the sentiment at the bottom, and then I used a wonky stitched die and ran that through my die cut machine to give this really nice edge. Here I'm just using my Zig watercolour brush pens to colour with. Once I was finished colouring, I took some paper from the Boho Vibes paper pad by the Paper Studio and paste her clothing, and I also used the same paper as the background to my card. I ran that through my die cut machine using the same die, then adhered it all to a white card base. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!